So I guess I'm live, but let me check. Let me connect my mic and stuff. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me connect my mic. So let me check. Yeah, now I guess it's fine. But if you have any if you have any like setup issues kind of thing, you can do let me know. So I'll modify the mass app. And first of all, really welcome to you guys. Okay, and really thank you for coming up today. And you can hit me up with some kind of questions like related to cybersecurity and some suggestions that you can give so that I can implement them in my channel. So yep, you can go ahead and you can ask. Let me just a minute, guys. So let me do some stuff. Okay. So yes, I guess now I think the live's going up. Let me do some kind of promotion. So email was in second part. Like I'll try, man, but I think most of the tools that I mentioned are like not working, I guess. Okay, so like some tools like this phonebook.cg, some tools are not working, but yep, I'll try. Okay, I'll try to make a video on email or sent. Okay, so and if you have any suggestions or any tools for that, you can just let me know. Okay, so and really thank you guys for all your support. Like you're doing some immense support to me, and we surpassed like 7,000 subscribers like recently, not recently, like I think some days back. And really thank you for all those stuff. And coming to this, so you can follow me on my Twitter. So Twitter is the only place that I'm active as of now, so cause of some kind of works and stuff. Okay, so I don't use Instagram, whatever it is, so I only use Twitter. So you can just check out my Twitter, and you can do let me know. Okay, like you can follow me there, and like it's not forced. Like if you want, you can follow ahead and you can do the stuff, but yep, anything is fine. So yes, just a minute. Uh-huh. I am self-learning about ethical hacking, and I'm also doing BCA together with it. So is it okay to be self-learned, or should I leave BCA and just focus on ethical? See, man, even I'm a self-learner. Okay, like I studied, like I learned hacking during my BTech phase, and during that phase there are nothing related to cybersecurity. Okay, there are something like programming, like the basic programming, the micro programming, and this stuff. Like see, you shouldn't neglect the studies. Okay, like foundation. So BCA in the sense like it's like a degree. Let's see, whatever the job you might be applying, so degree is necessary. Okay, like I recommend you to don't leave anything. Okay, just focus on it and try to put something into like give more preference to the like self studies and stuff. Okay, so I think that's will work, that will work. So yes, I think this is some kind of weird time, but yep, if you have any more doubts you can go ahead and ask. And Yeah, hi Dheeraj, hello. So just a minute. So hello, hi Ricky. Ricky, cool. Hello, hi. Hello, hello. Yes, guys, you can hit me up with your questions. Okay, so I'd be really happy to answer whatever your question might be. And if you want to check out, if you want to connect with me personally, you can go ahead and check out my Twitter. So LinkedIn, like I'm not using LinkedIn as of now. Okay, due to some reasons. So first of all, I want genuine answer, bro. CCNA is important for cybersecurity. CCNA important for cybersecurity. Like it's dependent, man. Like CCNA mostly focuses on networking. Okay, but if you ask me about certification, I guess it's not required. Okay, but like the concepts, like subject that you learn in the CCNA will be definitely helpful. You can I use burp suit crack? Like even I used crack version of burp suit during some phase of time, but right now I'm not using it. Okay, cause like it's giving me some errors. Okay, like there are some issues going on, so I use community version only, burp suit 1.7.36 community version, and it works absolutely fine. Okay, but if you want, like, make sure the cracked version that you're using is of genuine one. Okay, sometimes it might be a reverse shell or something like that, or reverse payload kind of thing. So hi Poopix. Where to apply and how to apply the skills in the beginning, bro? Like you can practice, man. Like you can go ahead and practice in some websites like try hack me. Like you can play capture the flags. Okay, like in try hack me or hack the box. Like if you're a beginner, start with try hack me. Like if you're a bit like you're a bit experienced, then start with hack the box. Like it is dependent. Okay. So, but don't go ahead and try to attack someone, okay? Like, don't try to attack like some kind of a black hat hacker, okay? Like, what happens is like when someone reports you, like the laws, like this IT laws in India, are like bit strict right now. So it may lead to something like they may put you may end up in the jail. Like there's a chance. So like it's always better to like build your own labs. Okay, try to be like if you're working on Active Directory, build your own lab. Like if you want to practice hacking and stuff, like there are a lot of good websites. Okay, which is effective wireless tool, Fluxion or Gideon, AirGideon. So I think Fluxion is like, I think it's not working, I guess, but I'm not sure, man. Like I used Fluxion, okay, like a lot back then, but I don't know whether it is working right now or not. Yeah, I think it's up, but I'm not sure whether it's the best thing or not. But yeah, so like I personally use Air Gideon. Okay, so but Fluxion is also one of the best tool. Okay, but I use the old version of Fluxion, but I'm not sure about the version that I'm seeing right now on the first result that I got. So Fluxion network from thing. I don't know how it works or something like that, but the one I used in the past is like one of the best, I should say. Like from there only, I got to know about this evil twin attacks and something like that. Okay, but yes, man, anything is fine. Like for Fluxion, do we need two adapters? Might see, like your adapter has some functionality called as virtual interfaces and stuff, so it can do some kind of uh, virtual interfaces. Okay, so if your adapter, that the adapter that you're using doesn't support the virtual interface, then you definitely need two adapters. Okay, so that's the point. Like I use an adapter alpha A0036 NHA, and it supports like this virtual interfaces kind of thing. So I don't need a double adapter. Okay, so keep that in mind. I try both, but the client no connection. How to build your own tool, man? See, there are a lot of languages. Okay, so basically what I do is like, I don't do kind of I don't build tools, to be frank. So I make some kind of a framework. Okay, so one of my tool, I don't release it to public or on GitHub. So what it does is like, so like during every bug bounty phase, so I do some kind of stuff, like I do subfinder, I run subfinder, I do some httpx stuff, I do some wayback urls and stuff, and I try to filter out some content, okay, through the help of grep and something like that. So I automated all those stuff. Okay, like see, bash is a kind of really cool language that everyone can learn. Okay, so I think everyone who are working in cybersecurity will or they will definitely know how to use Linux, I guess. Like bash in the sense, like you can run multiple Linux commands in a one go, like that, you can call it like that. Okay, but you are putting into some kind of a script, so when you run the script, so all those commands will run one by one. Okay, so like I do something like that. But like how to build your own tool, like try to understand the problem first of all. So whether if you want to build something, or if you, whether you want to do research on something, so try to understand what the problem is there. Okay, some people will just build some buildings in like air, okay, in clouds you can call, but that is not possible. Like try to understand the problem. Like if you think that there are no some there are tools which doesn't cover this aspect, so try to build on them, like that. Okay, or like if there are any existing tools, so you can make it faster. Okay, sometimes like if you take nmap, so nmap is kind of slow. I think there is something called as rust scan or something like that, which is literally fast. Like you can update some kind of stuff. What will you choose, bug bounty or pen testing? I choose pen testing, man. Like, see, what happens is like there is no company will hire for bug bounty hunter. So mostly they hire for application security engineers or AppSec pen testers only mostly. Okay, so bug bounty in the sense like see, almost they does the same. Almost they do the same. Okay, but personally I choose pen testing, okay, as a career. Okay, how to any payload bind in images file? Supporting plugin to use to, oh, then that's not, I'm not sure, man. Then I think air gideon doesn't require any two adapters, I guess. The normal one will work. Bind images, like there are some good binders, man. So you can I'll tell you something. I have a website, just a minute. So there is something like see, you need to change the icon, that's it, man. Okay, see, like try to change how to convert, in the sense like create a payload, okay, on any source, and try to change the icon. Okay, so put it in some kind of an image, like take an image and convert it to an icon. So put it as an icon, and then try to poke with this file extensions kind of stuff. Like it is dependent, like I'm not saying it will work all the time, but that is how I do basically. There are no specialized tools for that. Okay, bro, how can we create tools, like how can we create? So that's what I'm telling, bro. Like try to understand the problem first of all, try to make it better, or how do anything like that. A roadmap for a pen tester, like it is as simple as this, man. So like you can work on the scanning part through the help of some applications, or through the help of nmap, then exploitation, like enumeration and exploitation, and then active directory, then privilege escalation. There are a lot of stuff in pen testing. So hi xda hacks, hello. So how old are you? I'm 21. I'm 21 years. Okay, so, and also guys, if you want like if you want to connect with me personally, you can check out my Twitter. So Twitter is the only place that I'm active on. Okay, so you can check out you can connect me over there, and you can also check out my Discord server. So even there I'm active, so most of the time even there I'm active. So I'll post the link, just a minute. I'll post all the links, and if you want any personalized training also, there are some stuff. So I even provide some trainings for you. Okay, so if you can check out that link tree, and you can find out like almost all the stuffs. And don't try to contact me via LinkedIn, cause I don't use LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm active on Discord as well as Twitter. That's it as of now. Okay, and on YouTube. Okay, so that's the thing. And yes, any more questions you can just hit me up. I'd be happy to answer. And if you have any suggestions, I'm 21, man. I'm 21. Do I look like a 41-year-old guy? So, so on Twitter, like I post some stuff, okay, which is related to like cyber security only mostly. So there is nothing more than that. And is the try hack me? Like, is the try hack me? What is the try hack me? Okay, I think he deleted that, but that's fine. So yes, any more questions or whatever it is, you can just ask me. So I'd be happy to answer, and you can check out, you can connect with me personally on Twitter and whatever it is. So is try hack me pen tester module is enough. See, there is nothing like enough. Okay, like, see, hacking in the sense or pen testing in the sense, like, there is nothing like enough. Okay, like if you learn some exploit today, tomorrow there will be a new exploit. Like, it's keep on learning. But I guess the junior pen tester will give you some good basics. Okay, so that is what I can tell you. If you work on the junior pen tester path, like, it gives you a lot of good basics, but it doesn't mean like it will done. Bro, please tell any free labs except track me. Vulnhub. Okay, Vulnhub is fine, but you need to download it and you need to put it on your machine. Okay, you need to run it on your machine. Okay, so tell me about your bug bounty experience. What platform is good for beginners? So I don't know much of bug bounty, bro. Most of the time I do this private bounties only. So like some websites that I use, and I use some bug bounty dorks. So you can simply search for bug bounty dorks and you'll find a lot of stuff. So I'll do on them mostly. And like, I'm not like, I have accounts on hack the box and try sorry, the hacker one, as well as this Buckroad, but I don't report on them generally. Okay, so like, I'm not much of a bug bounty hunter kind of thing, but that's it. Brother, good efforts. Thank you, man. Thank you, Muhammad Asif. So, do you have anything related to the governance and compliances? No, man. No, I'm not sure. I don't know much about that. Like, see, there are a lot of streams in cybersecurity. So, like, I guess I need to explore more, I guess. So, brother, are you doing job or study? So, I'm doing job right now, and I'm not even left the studying as well. So, yes, in the meantime, I'm browsing, guys. So, that's the reason. Sorry. Sorry for the notifications and stuff, guys. Really sorry. I think I'm not on mute, I guess. Okay, so do you use Burp Suite Professional? No, I don't use. What type of job? So I'm an application security engineer. Okay, so I configure this kind of we install some kind of security protocols for companies. Okay, so that is what application security engineer means. No, I don't use Burp Suite Professional. So I use mostly this Burp Suite Community Edition only, and the version is 1.7.3.6. Like back then, I used to use a lot of stuff, but now I think 1.7.36 from Burp Suite is like working fine. Okay, so do you use Burp Suite? I think I guess that. Brother, I'm more into SOC. So do you have any? Do you have a group to make search? Like, Not sure, man. What are you asking about? Like, if possible, try to elaborate a little bit. Is it possible to hack a CCTV cameras? Yes. I'll tell you a scenario where I hacked into a lot of CCTVs. So I got into a network, so I'll not reveal a lot of information. I got into a network, and I know that the person who is owning that network has some CCTVs, and the company name is CP Plus. Okay, so if you know, so there are a lot of what you call stuff. Okay, like there is something called as CP Plus. So CP Plus is something like mostly like it's a kind of a manufacturer of the CCTVs. Okay, so once I got into a network, so what I did is like I did some kind of there is some website related how you can find out CCTVs with the help of Wireshark, and I started sniffing on from the Wireshark, and I got some access. Okay, to like I got the IP of this particular this CCTV which is connected, and when I navigated to that IP, so I got a web page there, and it asked me for some kind of credentials, and I tried some default credentials and I opened it, and this that is what you can call hacking into some kind of CCTV, right? So that is what I've done. So hack the box. I think there is no option. I guess there is no need to connect in the hack the box. I guess, man. Like you can connect with me on Twitter. That's the thing. So hi Uday. I don't remember you, but yes, I know you. So I want to learn forensics. Like there are a lot of stuff, man, but I'm not much into this forensics and stuff. Okay, so you can go. I can start from this try hack me stuff kind of thing. So anything is fine. Okay. Oh, I know you, man. I know you, Uday. I know you. I think we both studied. Yes, I know. We both studied up to 10th class. I know you. Like I searched your channel on YouTube and I can see your face. Hi man, I hope you're doing good. How much time do you spend every day on week to do researches? Mostly daily and 2 to 3 hours. That's it, man. Like, see, I'm having full time job as well, so I should like try to balance the both of stuff. But whenever I find time, so I go to like I have two laptops, like the work laptop, like everyone has those, and this is my personal laptop, so I try to manage them. Okay, so is it possible to hack real life social media like WhatsApp? Yes, man. Everything. See, like everything that is connected to internet can be hacked. Okay, so that is a chance. Like see what social media like WhatsApp, in the sense like see I've seen situations. Okay, so there is a number like hash 4 not 4, I don't know, hash 43 or something like that. You can enable call forwarding, and WhatsApp does some kind of call verification. Okay, so like there are some situations, and Insta and FB, if they use weak credentials, you can do some kind of a brute force, some kind of phishing attacks. Anything will work fine. Sir, can you explain about the Cobalt Strike team? No, man. Like it's a kind of a framework. To be frank, like that's what most red teamers use. Like, see, that's a big thing. Okay, it's not like a small thing. So I'll provide you a good article. Okay, so it's a more like a framework, man. Okay, so mostly, like I haven't used it personally, but I guess it's mostly about like mostly the red teamers and stuff use. Okay, so but I'm looking forward to learn it. Okay, so it's on my schedule to learn, but no, man, I haven't got security plus. I think I felt it's like more of basic stuff. I have a nice group on the Hack the Box where we do the nice research and exploitation, build a nice quality. Would you like to join us? Can we do hacking in 4 GB laptop? Yes, man. Yes, definitely. Yes. See, I have a Raspberry Pi and the RAM is like 2 GB, and like I can literally own a complete network. Like I can do some kind of DOS attack. I can do lot of stuff with the 2 GB stuff. Like, see, there is no limitation to your process and stuff. Okay. I'll provide my hack the box, man, but just a minute. But don't spam it, okay? I don't know how this works or something like that. It is Sai Satvik 1. Okay, so I'll just provide my name. So Sai Satvik 1. So just once after, like I'm like what happened is like I closed my previous account. So I used to have an account like where I spawned a lot of machines. But I closed it account due to some situation or due to some kind of unusual activity, and I deleted that account and I got again with a new account. So you can see that. But sir, what I need to learn, that team. See, I'm familiar, man. Is there any see brute forcing to nowadays is like kind of meh, cause like there are something called as rate limiting. Okay, I guess no tool will work fine for red for brute forcing. Like brute forcing is done. Okay, like brute force in the sense like when you find some kind of a service which doesn't have rate limiting, then brute force is the only option. But I guess everything like I provided you, right? That's the name, Sai Satvik one. So that's the idea of my name, to be precise. Can try to add there, but if there is anything like Discord or something like that, I think I can join from there, I guess. But I don't know how this happens on this thing. So yes, let's see. But if I don't, have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Always keep it up. Okay, bye. Don't know what you've done. Let me see. Where is this thing? I don't know where there's all this stuff, sir. Let me go to the forum. No, man. Just leave it. Okay. So, yep. Any more stuff can do? Let me know. Yep. Like if you want to connect with me, like Discord, it's fine, man. Like I'm active on Discord. Like I don't open always like just hack the box. Like only at some part of time I open. I think the whatever the research that you're doing, so doing like if it is on Discord or whatever it is, I'd be happy to be part of. But yep, not an issue. Okay, not an issue. And guys, you can do let me know. I'll be available for like some more time, like some more time, and I'll be available till 8:20 or something like that, I guess. So let's see. I couldn't set bridge network in Kali machine. What's okay? Bridged and NAT, I guess, right? Are you on virtual box? How to secure Linux? See, like the best way is like don't use the password that they are giving. So Kali and Kali, don't use it. So try to change some default configurations. Okay, most of the time that I've seen how the Linux, like keep it up to date. Okay, and make sure you're don't leave some kind of loose points. Okay, something like the default credentials and something like that. VMware, I guess you can change it, man. But like I think if you are on my Discord, like just once ping me, okay, on my Discord itself. So like put the screenshot if possible. I'll try to help. Is buffer overflow mandatory for OSP? I think now it's not much mandatory, but for the previous stuff, I think it's thing. Do you know anyone having a decent job with A plus and Net plus, or can someone get a job with this? What is the excellent expected pay? Like not sure, man. Like I know some people who are working in cybersecurity, even they don't have the certification. So like if you have a skill, good enough skill, I think you can go ahead into job. So expected pay, it's different, man. Like it depends upon the company, kind of company you work and something like that. Okay, so pay something like that, don't expect. Okay, like don't expect in the sense like I'm not trying to put lower your bar. Like it is dependent. Okay, so various companies provide various stuff, so that's the thing. So, any more questions or anything like that? So, sir, can you recommend me any red team courses? See, man, even I am new to the red team. After try hack me, try to do certifications or like try to apply for jobs. Anything is fine. Okay. So, red team courses are like you can start with the try hack me red team room. Okay, so that's good. If you want, you can start with that, but it's always your choice. Okay, whatever it is, you can go ahead and do. They got job with zero cert. Yes. Yes, they have computer science degree, not masters. Okay. Like it is dependent, man. Okay. Like if you are experienced, okay, if you're a fresher, I think you don't need any certification, like most of the time. Like some companies will ask, but it is not mandatory. Okay, so how important is active? See, man, like where see every company that nowadays has active directory, man. Okay, like if you are doing if some company asks you to do pen test, so most probably guess it, like you will be working with active directory itself, so it's like damn important. Okay, so what is your exact domain? So exact domain in the sense like privileged access management. Okay, so we try to manage the privileged users and stuff. That's it. Nothing more than that, and nothing much revealing. Okay, so it's like mostly the application security engineer. So I'm an application security engineer, and we do some PAM kind of stuff. Okay, like I'm kind of like I just joined the job like 2 or 3 months, I guess. Like after completion of training. So third month, I guess this is the third month. So it's going on. So yes, any more questions? I guess like still there is 7 more minutes, I guess. And also, guys, if you want to be part, okay, so if you want to be part of my community or whatever it is, you can check out my Discord. So the link is in the description as well as it is thing. I think someone having degree plus masters with will the company hire them for the upper job, or will the company hire someone who has completed up to a CPC? I think it's dependent upon the skill, I guess. Okay, like even though you don't have anything, if you have a good skill, I think company may prefer you. But like if you have certifications, man, like it will be an added advantage. Okay, so some companies like they don't directly take your like your resume. Okay, so they do some bot kind of checks for the words, and like if you mention something like OSCP and something like that, mentioning in the sense like if you had done OSCP or something like that, it will be an added advantage. Okay, and someone asked, please suggestions in the following matter. Okay, so CentOS 7, right? Like basically what I give is like I think there is some script, man. Like if there is a script, okay, just a minute, I'll provide you some scripts. Okay, so most probably VM script, like there are some scripts that you can run to harden this CentOS. Okay, I'm not sure like how could they work, but like you can just go ahead and you can just try to close some default credentials and stuff. I s- mm, Try to see it, man. Hacktadyne, hi. Sir, I'm working in technical support. Can I switch to cybersecurity? Will it be difficult for me? Like you can guess switch, man. Like I seen most people like Heath Adams. I think even he switched from technical support only, I guess. So Like, see, once you have a good, like, there are some good scripts, man, Lalam. So you can find out those scripts, okay, but I can tell you manually, like, try to close some loose ends, okay, like close the services that you are not using, okay, and try to add some hard credentials. So credentials must be strong, and put some kind of password, like policies kind of thing for your stuff. And that's the thing, that's mostly. So try to close, like, try to reduce the attack surface as much. As suggest me 5 tools for pen testing. The first one is nmap. Okay. Sorry, I'm messed up, sorry. Nmap, burp suit, okay, metasploit, and there is something like burp suit, and then let me recall. There are some other names like bloodhound. Like, since I'm doing active directory, bloodhound and the impact. So like I pushed it. I think I gave everything a segment. So for scanning and some fine kind of stuff. So nmap and burp suit, metasploit, bloodhound, and this what you call impact. These are the tools that I use. Okay, so like even these scripts, okay, so GoBuster, yes, GoBuster, like these are like GoBuster I'm using, but top 5 tools according to me are these only, okay. But I guess like burp suit does almost the GoBuster stuff, I guess. So I think I don't need to mention GoBuster separately, but burp suit will do the thing for me, okay. Like I'm using the old version, but the latest version might require some stuff, but old version I think it's not required. But yes, I used GoBuster, okay. No, I'm not against it. Yeah, hello Uday. Hello, how are you, man? Sir, what threat hunter do? So they find for the threats. So I know someone, like I know one of my friend who is working in threat hunter domain, but like mostly it's like training only. So they try to find out the threats, like in forms. Like mostly he works in the OSINT department. Okay, so through the help of OSINT and some kind of dark web stuff, he try to find out what threats this company poses. Find you. I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. How can a user enjoy Linux as daily driver? Because nowadays every guy is a server guy who protects their servers, and I think we need to enjoy the work that we do. Like how you can enjoy Linux? So automation, man. Like literally, you can like you can do literally, like Linux is really cool, okay. Like Windows server, there is something limited that you can do, but Linux, like you can automate all this stuff, man. You can automate a lot of those stuff. Please do not stop their Sunday stream even if you get lower viewership, few members. Yeah, I'll definitely not stop, man. Okay, like viewership, it is dependent, man. Okay, like see, most people, like live is not everyone can watch it, right? If I upload a video, like anyone can watch it at any point of time, but live it's not like that. Mostly, if I put a live now, right now, so only some people might watch it. So right now it's 6 or 7, I guess, but that's fine, okay. But some people will definitely find it helpful, okay. Like it's more of like interactive, okay. Your future goals, like I'm building my business, man. Okay, so I need to build my business, and I need to do like switch my job, like switch my job in the sense, like switch my role, not job, to be precise. Like right now I'm working in kind of blue teaming kind of thing, but I want to go to the pen tester part. Okay, so I'm working hard on that, okay. So mostly the active directory pen testing and through that. Okay, so that's my future goal, okay. It's kind of not big, like I don't want to hack something like that, but it's simple, okay. So I want to switch, so I want to go to the pen tester site, and I want to build my business like through more extent, like building business in the sense like for like financial stability kind of thing. How important how bug bounty is, see man, like cyber security, everything is an important thing, okay. But if you like bug bounty in the sense like you don't need to work under anyone, Okay, like bug bounty is mostly like that only. Okay, low, like you can do some kind of your part-time stuff during bug bounty and you can earn some money, not some so much money as well. Is it too frusty? What is frusty? Don't know, but I'm removing this, and I don't know what's your intent. It's kind of weird. Okay, I don't regret watching your videos cause you are doing great work. Might the upcoming techies know the value. Yep, thank you, man. Sir, any pen testing certificate or courses you recommend? You can start with something simple like Security Plus or pen test. Security Plus, I think it's basic, and then you can do some certifications like EJPT, ECPPT, PNPT. Like these are some up to intermediate level, and then you can go ahead and do OSCP. Okay, so that's the thing. How long it took to get significant knowledge on this domain? See, man, even I'm basic beginner only. Okay, even I'm beginner only. I'm not like the craziest guy. Like don't know lot of stuff to be frank. Okay, so that's the thing. Like how long, man? It is like mostly this field requires consistency. Okay, like how consistent you are, it's a good thing. Like as consistent as you are, like you can learn a lot more stuff. Okay, like what I've seen mostly is like people just give up after some time. Okay, but that's not the good thing. Yeah, hello, I think you mentioned it in Malayalam. uh yeah, bye, thank you. And I guess it's done, guys. So still 3 more minutes. You can just ask your questions, or we can wind up the session. So really, thank you for joining me for today. Okay, so if you which domain you might think that this is future? See, every domain is a future, man. Like every domain has a future. There is nothing like this domain doesn't have future or something like that. Even though there is an AI coming, but it cannot beat a manual tester. Okay, so that is what I believe. But you might expect a low like postings, but still, like that's manual jobs. Like hacking is something that you cannot replace even after a decade or 2 to 3 decades. Like still you will have a job or some kind of postings for the cybersecurity. Okay, so that is what I believe. Like see, whatever the AI that might be coming, they cannot do the stuff. Like they can do only the task that you are providing. Like if you tell, like like if it robo or if an AI is configured to only work on this like running a one NSS scan, it will only do that, nothing more than that. Okay, so same simple like that. But a human can do a lot of stuff. I can run an NSS scan, I can do an nmap scan, I can do an exploitation part, I can put some phishing stuff, I can do a lot of stuff. So that's the thing. Okay, so I guess that is it, guys. Like no domain is lesser and no domain is like this. You cannot classify something like this domain is not useful and this domain is useless. So everything has their own preference. So choose a domain which like is more related to your heart. So if you feel like catching up, if you feel like catching a thief, so go to this forensic side. If you feel like developing some kind of tools, go to something like exploit development. If you feel like attacking something, go to red teaming or pen testing, something like that. Tip for coders. What is a tip for coders, man? Uh, Try to optimize it as much as you can. Optimization is the key, man. Like I can write a code, but it doesn't mean it's the best code. Okay, you need to optimize it as a. How much knowledge is required to create a hacker one account? Like you just need an email, man. Like it's not required. Like they doesn't test you. Okay, for hacker one stuff. Okay, like how much? Like you can create your account right now and you can start working up. There is nothing wrong. Okay, so I think that is it, guys. Really thank you for joining this stream. So I should really appreciate all you guys, cause like, I know it's been like it's Sunday, and I think I'm live for like 40 minutes. I think an average duration here is like around 7 to 8 minutes, and 7 to 8 minutes is like a long stuff for me. And really thank you for coming up today. And I'll be live again on the next Sunday, so at 7:30 to 8 p.m. IST. So if you want to know where when I'm going to be live and something like that, you can check out my this thing like Discord. You can be part of my Discord, and you can get updates regarding the content that I'm going to post. Just download data leaks. I think it's mostly related to dark web, man. Like, you should check it on dark web. You cannot find it on normal web. Okay, so I think that is it, guys. Bye, take care, good night, and happy Sunday. See you all on next week, and tomorrow I'll upload a video, and I'll meet you there once again. Bye, take care.